First, launch your Steam client and ensure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the inventory section to view your items. Identify the item you wish to sell. Click on it to open its details, including usage history and current market trends. Next, check the community market for the item. Evaluate the asking prices to set a competitive rate for your listing. Once you decide on a price, return to your inventory and select Sell next to your item. Enter your chosen price. Confirm your listing on the community market. Take a moment to review all details before finalizing. Finally, wait for buyers. Keep an eye on your inventory for notifications. Congratulations on becoming a seller. Tip 1. Offer competitive pricing. Analyze similar items and adjust your price to attract buyers. Tip 2. Use appealing item descriptions. Describe what makes your item unique to grab attention. Tip 3. Stay active in the market. Regularly check your listings and adjust prices as needed. Tip 4. Engage with the community. Use forums to gain insights and tips from experienced sellers. Remember, patience is key. Sales may take time, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't sell immediately. And that's it. You're now equipped to successfully sell items on Steam. Happy selling!